and start telling your work. Okay? One thing for everyone, keep in mind, first time if you're talking, that time you should start with your name. Okay, the one who is initiating, that also, but for others too. Okay?
Not the one who initiates or whoever speaks for the first time.
Whoever speaks. Last time, yes, what was the timing for your book? 3. 5 minutes. Okay, start.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The topic we have amongst us, I'm Akshadeep. The topic we have amongst us is blue is not so blue. And I think I'm for the topic that blue is not so blue. Against the conventional thinking that porn is not good for our society, I support the fact that porn is legalized, is legal. And I think if porn doesn't affect our teenage if seen and used in a proper way. Even in our mythology, even in our old scriptures and holy wisdom, we have depictions showing sex symbols, sex education and stuff. So I think if our mythology supports the fact that we should be given sex education at a lower age, then porn can, if used in a suitable way, can be used as a way in which we can give such sex education to our younger generations.
I like the point given by Ashri, but in my point of view, whenever I hear the word blue, the picture of water comes into my mind. So how about discussing about the current state of Indian rivers or the quality of water we are getting or irrigation and all about that?
I strongly agree with Shankar, Lalit Pandey. Day by day, rivers are getting polluted, and I want to quote one famous line that water, water everywhere, not a single drop to drink. So, okay, breaking the silence. It's what not. Let's get this topic to politically. It's always maintaining your power, your country status in seas, because it's very necessary to protect your country on air, land, and water.
My dear friend, you said that the body water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. But I didn't understand whether you are against or for the topic that blue is not so blue. Because according to me, if I didn't get your point, what you are suggesting. But for me, I think it's against the topic. I'm against the topic for if we interpret it the way Sankalp said, water, but blue is not so blue. I think blue is blue.
Let's decide the topic first, and then we'll go on to
point I've already started. The point being here is, let's just not say porn is good or bad. Let's just focus on the fact that legalization it would bring some good or bad to the society or not. And the way I see it, legalization would have more benefits other than cons for it. For example, there are people involved in this industry which are already. Lakshman here quoted that water, water everywhere, not even a single drop to drink. I would quote here porn everywhere, not even a single video to watch, just government has blocked it. So there is no point in after so many years simply putting a full stop to such a big industry. And when you legalize it, you simply provide so many opportunities to people who are already involved. When you look at a porn star, you do not give him the respect she or he does deserve. But if you legalize it, people would actually take it as any other form of entertainment, and it would come to us as another form of entertainment, and people won't be disrespected if they have heard that.
I like the point given by Jaswinder, but I have a different point of perception on this. See, in India, I actually oppose this legalization of porn, because in our country the literacy rate is too less and unemployment is a number for us. But
from your point, I am agree with just in this point, because it's from financial view, the porn stars which are working as a porn star, they got paid for their work. If they are because there are many girls or women which are not employed, and no one in company they don't get a job in anywhere. In porn industry they get the job.
Most of the cases, this is not the preferred job.
It's not about the job, it's about the opportunity.
They are forced into this. More you realize it, more are the female abductions will be there, and more number of women will be forced
if you go on your personal
It's their
interaction with them,
not our choice. We are pushing. Okay, next question.
Gentlemen, I totally agree with Shind's point because I'm saying that in India we are not as much as we are not improved ourselves as all other countries have improved right now because India our culture is not supporting the pornography industry because we should have to take some time to grasp these kinds of
Ladies and gentlemen, centuries ago, when none of the people from the world knew about the word sex, Indians were the people who wrote Kama Sutra. And whenever it comes to today discussing about it, we become Gandhi or people for here and anything.
And my point is, if we are asking to ban the porn, but we are encountering those things anyway. If you will visit Ajanta or Ellora caves, you will come across expositions and those scriptures which are made from the very beginning of time.
Just tagging it under the Indian culture and saying it is bad, I don't think it is very long.
Bad or
also not a solution because many of girls they do not aspire to become a pastor. They aspire to become a teacher or as astronaut, and because of the family conditions, many a times they are forced into this business of selling their body. And I just want to say that if we legalize the porn industry, then it will create a demand for porn and
I don't think
and human trafficking of girls will increase. I mean, so legalization of porn is not only a solution. If a girl wants to join porn industry by her choice, then it is perfectly okay, but you cannot legalize it.
There was a point made by Jaswinder saying that sex education is necessary, but in order to get sex education, first people from our country needs normal education. In our country, normal literacy rate is.
I didn't say sexual education, I said sexual acceptance.
Even if we consider his point, and even if we consider his point that for sex education to be involved in our syllabus, but the sex education even now is being taught from the 8th class only. So if we are taught about the sex education from the 8th class, why can't we watch porn from the such a young age?
The countries which are already having a good industry in pornography, they have specialized this age, 18 plus. Whenever you see any video, they have specialized this. So we cannot start it from the beginning of the education. So person has to start it at the age of.
So that's what we are saying. We are not saying. We are saying.
We just said that why should we be?
So our point is don't ban porn, allow it, but for a proper age group.
Gentlemen, we here started with a very positive beginning that it's not about whether pornography is bad or good for our health, Indian society or Indian culture. We just stated that whether it should be legalized or not, and legalizing it is completely different from whether it is good or not.
So do you think our society is understanding or literate enough to accept this as an industry?
Sir, no society has never accepted something that they never know existed for their good.
So here now I would like to conclude the group discussion session. That porn should be legalized and should be allowed for a certain age group, so that sex education and porn can walk simultaneously, and we can have a literate society in all regards. So it should be legalized.
Is it that stop? Actually, you said gentlemen's. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, like that, right? So make sure that it is what it's gentlemen. Again, someone said women's. It's not women's, it's women. Okay, even if you're half minute. Okay, so about that, and the topic, I guess, blue wala topic, pornography is a relation. You only got it. You only.
We agree amongst before.
Yeah. Okay, right. So it's a fine way to talk about it. It's not a problem. But then we will also see what and all other things also can be talked about.
When the birds need not be, but they were not explicit, right? But these kind of birds are allowed in a TV, right?
Yeah, definitely it is allowed.
Pornography is allowed.
Yeah, it's fine. If it is related to that, and if you are taking a
talked about it. Initially, you talked about it. After that, it became completely related into sex and this cons and all those.
But that's what initially before starting the GD,
Yeah.
you were just talking about the same thing to the ma'am. If we take it in two interpretations, now it gets ridiculous and messy. So what happened is we initiated with a porn kind of interpretation, then the water thing came in.
Yeah,
and
water thing came in, it was a good part. Yeah, actually.
No, but actually what happened?
Also, one of Ellen is also doing the politics terms. Then power is something we need to. Then
Ma'am, and bringing the debate to Indian rivers would have become very factual and people would have been blinded. So we
See,
took
it's
up a
okay if
separate
you're
topic.
not using the facts and all. It's fine. But then you should talk about different aspects. See,
But
I'm just saying. Yeah.
what was in both courts at sometime it was this topic, some was then that topic, so it was kind of confusing.
That should be the focus of the group, right? Starting with different interpretation and then coming to a one and then discussing on it.
But confusion was something unrelated. That's what I'm saying.
No, I suggested water because most of us can speak on that topic.
And porn is
Abhi with
So might be
Okay, okay. Next is Lakshmi. Acha, it's Lakshmi.
Pandey.
Acha, Lakshmi Narayan Pandey, yes.
You gave a good interpretation of the topic. And another part is someone was saying something and you told that, okay, let him speak. You said something like that, right? I guess. Yeah. You also said. Yeah. Okay. So this is also a good part. This is also a good thing. Next is Paji. I wrote Paji actually. Initially you did not tell your name. Someone took your name, then I remembered, okay, it's just in the fine. You are having good communication. Okay, and the relevance also was fine. It's just that last time suddenly वो पूरा completely change हो गया था topic. Try to be on the topic. Next is Kshitij. छोटी सी एक गलती थी वो ये कि I guess Sankalp was saying something and you interrupted him. So try not to do that. Once he is taking a pause, then you can speak. It can deduct your marks. It can. Okay? And another thing is make sure that you are sitting in a good posture. Okay, matlab sit straight. Okay, this spine should be straight. Okay, and even if you are kind of inclined, little bit inclined, and also make sure that the position of legs is not say abrupt. Okay, it should not be very bad. Okay, it should not be say someone was actually putting their legs very front. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this should not be the case. Sit properly. Okay, in a professional way. And
There was some chief guest also. Chief guest, yes, how many chief guests in this group? Please raise your hand.
you could have said something or the other.
वो टॉपिक ही चेंज हो गया उसमें पॉन बोला मुझे मैं ये पॉन मैंने कहा पॉन नहीं आया इस पूरा बॉटल तो वो टॉपिक ही चेंज हो गया मेरा गवर्नमेंट था
ये गवर्नमेंट बिक गई है गवर्नमेंट बंदे की बिक गई है
The first guy. I had written it like the first guy. You didn't tell your name. What is it? Okay, Nikhil, you were giving good points, but stammering is bit there. Okay, so we have to work on it. Okay, but see, maybe you have actually done very well as compared to the earlier days. You have been like this earlier also, or you have actually reduced this stammering. Okay, but somewhere you will understand that somewhere you are getting better.
I mean, it's situation based.
Okay.
If I am in a more stressed situation at that time, it's more, and when I'm with my friends at that time,
Okay.
it's not.
Fine. So what you can try is you can actually talk to people, or you can try speaking in front of people more, so that this stress which is coming because of being in front of people will kind of reduce. Okay. But yeah, the points put forward by you were fine. Others, as she said, cheaters, please speak the next Okay, see, that is what I was saying. In this part, you cannot conclude. We could have summarized that we talked about three aspects. We talked about relevance of blue as related to ponds, as related to water, rivers, and the coloring of water which is going down, and it's not so blue as we thought it to be. If it was pure, then would it have been so transparent, or we can say kind of blue. But because of impurities and all, it will become say dark shaded or something like that. We have talked about it like that. Okay. Anything else which we can talk about in blue?
Education or a job. We think when we are as an engineering student, we think job is so good, we will pay. But when we really get into the job, there are people who then they suffer, they don't like their job, or they are stressed off.
And extinction of blue. And in education industries, there are so much coaching classes here and there nowadays, and lots of works they are asking for, and quality of education they are providing is very less. So this is also one point. And my interpretation was earlier that we are polluting our water day by day.
That was the point.
The blue is actually not blue.
Yeah, you can talk about sky, pollution. Then one more thing, this blue is related to science. Sometimes we think that the situation is really very, means you do not find any ray of hope in that situation. Blue, yeah.
Can it related to, I guess blue is not so blue. Can it related to things that are not very...
Yeah, actually it is. Means, for example, blue is related to sadness. Okay, actually it is related to sadness. So it's not like that if you are thinking that the situation is like really worst and now nothing can come out, the solution is not there. But it's not that. You know that every cloud has a silver lining, right? So you have that ray of hope. So the way we are thinking the situation, it is not actually like that. Or one more thing like that we can relate it to confidence.
Blue
Yes.
is actually a color of sadness, if you know.
Sadness, blue.
Yeah, confidence. It is also related to confidence. So if you say that blue is not so blue, I mean, we can relate it to a person who is looking very confident, pretty much confident. But if when actually you want to look inside the person, he or she might not be that much confident as he or she looks, right? So you can talk about different aspects. Yeah, blue for describing something which is calm or sad. So you're not able to express it.
But you have to frame it in the way that blue is not so blue.
Exactly.
It has many like intelligence or what we can say confidence, but the way we are presenting it, blue is not so blue.
But the debate would have been very philosophical and sadness for the
It's not that हर एक बंदा उसी पे बोलेगा भाई sad है तो चलो सब sad नहीं. We are telling what are the other aspects that you can talk about. If you get the topic like this, anything, whatever, if this person is talking something else, that person is talking something else, it's okay. But at least you complete with the thing that you are speaking. हर वक्त उसी से agree करेंगे सब वो बात नहीं है. दूसरा भी कुछ तुम अलग भी start कर सकते हो. But you should complete what you are saying. जैसे कि आपने start किया और आप वही रुक गए. आपको कुछ हो गया और आपने दो चीजें कनेक्ट करी और आप बोल ही नहीं पाए. So the thing is जो आप बोलना चाहते हो complete it. Okay, in this such abstract topic, you have to complete what you are saying. Chief guest, दोबारा आने के लिए तैयार. Others, good, better than the first. They have not concluded.